Located on the Terrace, this custom-designed waterfront property offers stunning water views from nearly every room. The entry foyer opens to the great room with a double-sided gas fireplace, cathedral ceilings, and a picturesque view overlooking Bullock's Cove. The dining room is surrounded by walls of windows and is perfect for hosting any occasion. The chef's kitchen boasts a large center island, granite counters, and stainless steel appliances, while the walk-in pantry with beautiful built-ins provides ample storage space. Enjoy al fresco dining through the French doors on the expansive deck that looks east over the serene cove. Completing the first level is a spacious home office or guest suite featuring a private full bath. The curved mahogany accent staircase with a backdrop of windows leads you to the second floor, where you will find 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bath, and laundry room. The luxurious master bedroom suite takes full advantage of the water views and includes a sumptuous spa bath and walk-in closet. This wonderful seaside neighborhood has a private beach and park area to take full advantage of this great location. Down the road is Crescent Park, home of the Louvre Carousel, and the East Bay bike path that carries you from Bristol to Providence, showing you the beauty of the shoreline. The renowned arts and culture of the creative capital and the commuter rail are only 20 minutes away in downtown Providence. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.